Hello everyone, welcome back to the another session in series of learning concept of C. Now today our talk is about operators. C supports a rich set of built-in operators. C supports a rich set of built-in operators. Operator is a symbol to perform mathematical or logical manipulations. Operator is a symbol to perform mathematical or logical manipulations. Operators are used in programs to manipulate data and variables. Now these are what the operators which are supported in C language. Now these operators are 9: arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment operators, decrement, conditional, bitwise, special. Now let's discuss each and every operator. Arithmetic operator. These are the symbols which can be perform arithmetic operations. Now the example a plus b. Look at the operator. Now this is the symbol through which we'll perform mathematical operation. A plus b means we'll be performing addition of two numbers and the result will be assigned to the variable of c. Right? So here these three are variables and these variables will have some value. The value get added and the result will be assigned to c. So here the plus is arithmetic operator. Likewise, we can write a minus b, a asterisk b and a slash b, a modulus b. And relational operators, these are the operators, these are the symbols, and these symbols are lesser or less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, not equal to. And the usage of these operators are like this. We'll use the operators of relational in between two operands. We used to call these are with the name of operands. Now a comma b are operands. Now the operator is lesser or less than and the operation is relational operation. Okay. Now as far as relational operators are concerned, the result always will be true or false. The result will be true or false. And the very important thing, C doesn't support Boolean data types. C doesn't support Boolean data types. That is, it doesn't print any value out with true and false. It symbolically represent true in the sense 1 and false in the sense 0. True in the sense 1 and false in the sense 0. Now look at this. Let us take this example. 4.5 is less than or equals to 10. This is true. What is true? 4.5 is less than from value 10. So the result of this will be true and the result will be printed as 1. And logical operators. Logical operators symbols are logical and, A and D and, logical or, logical not. The name itself it tells that wherever you are using this operator, now the statements has to be true. And operator, that means if it is written in between of two different statements, both the statements has to be true. Then only we'll use this logical and. A greater than B should be true and x double equal to 10 should also be true. Or means what? Either or. If I'm using here instead of logical and, logical or, A greater than B can be true or x double equal to 10 can be true. Right? Not in the sense neither this is true nor this is true. In that cases we'll use not. And the fourth category is assignment operators. Assignment operator symbol is equal to. That will assign a value into the variable, something like this. A is equal to 5. What does it mean? That I am assigning 5 value into the variable A. Now, these are known as shorthand operators. These symbols are familiarly known as shorthand operators, plus equal to, minus equal to, asterisk equal to, and this can be written a is equal to a plus b, means what will write a plus equal to b, shorthand operators. A is equal to a plus b. Now look at this expression. You can find out one key note. Right, left hand side operand should be equals to the right hand side operand, or else first input variable should be same as with the output variable, then shorthand operator will be used there. And increment operators are pre-increment, that is it will be increased before the value comes. Post increment, it will be value will be increased with a 1, and that is plus plus a in the sense 1 plus a plus plus in the sense a plus 1. Did you understand this? 1 will be added to the value, value will be added to the 1. And decrement operators, we do have two categories, pre-decrement, post-decrement. The same, likewise increment. Conditional operator, this is called as ternary operator. Ternary. And this is expression 1 ternary operator, expression 2, expression 3. Now what does it mean? That we can take this example that now I wanted to check whether it is maximum or not. Then I'll write this a greater than b ternary a colon b. Now look at this conditional operator. Now I'm going to check this condition a greater than b. If it is true, then the value of a will be assigned to max. If it is false, then the value of b is assigned to max. So this is the way how we'll use conditional operator. And bitwise operators, the name itself tells that these operators are exclusively for bits, that bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, complement, left shift and right shift. The next is special operators, which is size of. Now size of itself, it is telling that we'll be knowing the size of the variable. Let us take example that I have taken int a variable. Now I wanted to check the size of this variable. Then what I'll do is I'll just go to printf statement to print the size of this a, how many bytes it is taking. Now the size of a, I'll write simply this. So now size of is operator of special category, which will take the variable name into the consideration and the value will get printed into the output screen. Now size of a in the sense, as it is declared with the data type of integer, it will return the answer as 4 bytes. Fine. So this is what the use of size of operator. Now these are the operators what are supported in C programming. Thank you all.